I'm going to show you guys how to make a gang sheet using my free website that I made. So first, you want to head over to tmfprints.com, and once on the homepage, you just click free gang sheet, and then from there, you'll be prompt a gang sheet builder. And this can be used essentially for, if you're wanting to order a sheet of DTF prints, or you want to print them yourself if you have a printer, or even if you I use it for Cricut myself. When I'm making stickers, I'll throw all my stickers on a sheet. There's even a letter size. So basically what you want to do is you want to head over to this website, tmfprints.com. You want to select your sheet size. So it's pretty common for DTF sheets to be 22 inches by 24. So we're going to leave it at that. And then what you want to do here is you're simply just going to click choose files. And then you can select all your images, or you can drag images directly onto the canvas panel. So this supports PNGs, JPEGs, and SVGs currently. Let me go ahead and add a SVG. As you can see, it shows the size in inches of your image. So you can just kind of organize it however. And this does support keyboard shortcuts. So I highlight this, hit Control C, and then Control V, and it'll paste a new one in. Since this is SVG, it won't show the DPI, since SVGs can be scaled without losing resolution. And let me also add a PNG. So let me just go and select a random logo in here. We'll do this Poorman's logo 300 DPI. And as you can see, the DPI for it is 545. And as I scale it up, it will lose DPI. That's just how images work. So we can safely scale this up to about 12 inches without losing 300 DPI quality. So you just want to order them on your sheet how you would like, and you can use this to rotate. There's also some controls on the top as well that you can utilize. For instance, you got undo, redo, flip horizontal, flip vertical, duplicate, remove. I just use my keyboard shortcuts because you can even do Control Z to undo, or Control Y to redo. So now that we have just our test sheet made real quick, I'll go ahead and show you how to export. So, okay, I'm just gonna leave that blank since I'm not doing anything with this. So once your sheet's done and how you want it, you can hit export gang sheet like that. It'll save the image. It may take a second depending on the sheet size, and then you can just save it to wherever you'd like, name it whatever you want, and then save just like so. And then you have your gang sheet PNG, which is typically what you want when you're going to print your gang sheet out. Or if you're outsourcing your prints, you can give them this file and they can print this out for you. So that's how you use TMF Prints free gang sheet builder. Just head over to tmfprints.com and then click the free gang sheet button on the nav bar and you'll be set. Also, you can hide the rulers and the grids too, but I prefer them on. Anyways, thank you if you enjoyed this video. Consider giving it a like and subscribe. As well, if you encounter any issues with this gang sheet builder or want anything added or any different sheet sizes, just leave a comment and I'll get that added right away. I'm pretty quick with adding updates.